Hello guys, my name is Clark Rotoni from ACT1B Day. I'm here to present the 5 main parts of a computer. First is the keyboard. This is the visual image of a keyboard. See. A computer keyboard is an input device used to enter characters and function into the computer system by pressing buttons or keys. It is the primary device used to enter text. A keyboard typically contains key for individual letters, numbers, and special characters, as well as key for specific function. A keyboard is connected to a computer system using a cable or a wireless connection. Second part of a computer is the AVR. This is the visual image of a AVR. AVR is a hardware device used to maintain a voltage to electronic devices. Third part of a computer is the mouse. This is the visual image of mouse. A mouse is a small device that a computer pushes across a desk surface in order to point to a place on a display screen and to select one or more action to take from that position. Fourth part of a computer is the CPU, or a central processing unit. This is the visual image of CPU, or central processing unit. Central processing unit, the key component of a computer system, which contain the circuitry necessary to interpret and execute program instructions. And the last part of a computer is the monitor. This is the visual image of monitor. A computer monitor is an electronic device that shows pictures. Monitors often look similar to television. The main difference between a monitor and a television is that a monitor does not have a television tuner to change channels. Monitors often have higher display resolution than television. A high display resolution makes it easier to see smaller letter and fine graphics. That's all. Thank you. Thanks for watching.